Welcome to Black Snake Adventures. So this video is just a random video.
Just why not?
There's nothing special about this video. It's gonna contain all the clips and shit from this weekend.
No, I think it is special because the Roger Olympics is making a return after that misfortune that Roger suffered. He's now going to try. And are you okay? Oh.
This happened yesterday. Toe pick's hurt. I don't think it'll even focus on it.
Focus.
Yeah, it's deep.
That's deep, man.
Deep, bro.
But yeah,
Right.
Roger might be reclaiming his title of Roger Olympian. Stop tickling me!
Let's try.
Okay, Roger, tell us about your Roger Olympian course this afternoon.
I'm going to start over here on the rocks. Make it all the way across the rocks. Try and get up to here. Go across all of those ropey things. Onto these rocks. Across there. Onto there. Over these rocks. Onto the green...
Monkey bars?
Monkey bar things over all the nugh. Then try and make it across all that weird jungly Jimmy thing. And then finish.
And he's gonna do all of this in heels.
In heels.
So yeah, okay.
Extra hard mode.
Hardcore.
Rock down to the floor.
And here we have Roger preparing to take the first steps onto the wood beams. Tentative but gaining momentum as he steps onto the rocks. Oh, a little hop, skip and a jump across the rocks. And now we have the treacherous rope of... What the... Wow! That was some style. Oh, okay. I feel like we're watching Ninja Warrior here.
That's the whole point. I'm just not allowed to touch the floor.
The floor is lava!
Yes, exactly.
And Roger's feet are burned. He's melting!
Strike two.
Strike two, okay. Attempt two. Round two. Fight!
That rope burns.
That's what rope generally tends to do, my love. Oof, camera woman nearly fell over then. Okay, going for a different tactic on round two. Let's see how this plays out. in heels, bro, yeah. Oh, can I try this after you? We'll have Sofa Olympics as well. You look like a cat when they have an itchy bum. Okay.
It's affecting my core.
Core, blimey, mate. Well, you did want a core workout today, so...
Yes, I did. I didn't think this through.
No, because you've got to get off the other side.
Okay. Let's think about this. What are the potential ways I can go off here?
That's not bad. Oh, wow, okay. In heels as well, well done. Looking very macho.
Do it!
Get your balance worked on for ice skating. Nicely done. What the fuck are you going to do on this bit, babe? How the fuck do you do that? That looks impossible.
No, they're not fucking strong enough, bro.
I
mean, long enough. Okay.
I think we can maybe skip this one if we need to.
No, I'm not skipping shit.
Alright.
Challenge me.
Alright, macho boy.
Actual weight. Cobwebs. I don't like spiders. Fail.
Well done though.
Okay, I'm not going back to the start. I'm going from the...
No, yeah, this is your checkpoint. I don't think this is possible.
I do.
Well, you're either going to burn yourself on the rope or... I don't know.
Well, I can try the way it thinks I should be doing it.
I think it's just going to give you a rope burn.
I mean, let's face it. As soon as I let go of this...
Yeah.
I mean, it's not even long enough.
No. Okay, let's skip that one. That's no, because we're not getting rope burn.
There's a way of doing this. There's got to be a way of doing this.
Don't hurt yourself, Phoebe. Wait, I've got a brilliant idea. One sec.
That's cheating.
Yeah, I'm back.
Okay.
Now, get up. Now swing across on the rope. Ready? Action shots. And drop you off. Well done. Well done, baby. That's great.
Made it.
You did. Well done.
Aww. I'm gonna ruin my heels.
No, don't go in the mud. Don't go in the mud. Don't ruin the heels. Oh no!
Avoid the mud.
So instead of monkey bars, they now have slug bars. Caterpillar bars.
Touching the mud. Ow, my willy.
Oh my god.
I didn't think this through.
I think you need to go back.
I ain't going back nowhere. Always my fault in life.
Wow. Mm. Wow.
Oh, extra level of difficulty. It's starting to rain.
Oh god. I thought I felt some water then.
Yep.
Well, that's an interesting, but that's almost a spread eagle for ice skating, babe.
Yeah, thanks.
Right, I don't think you're going to be able to physically get across.
I don't either.
So why not come to this non-muddy bit and don't break your heels. Yeah.
I want to make it to that non-muddy bit.
Oh my god. No, but this bit's way not muddier this side.
Way not muddy, eh?
Way not muddier.
Oh my god.
Yeah, come this side, baby.
It's alright, I'm ruining my heels. This is gonna go really well or really bad.
No, don't. No, what are you actually doing?
I'm trying to jump.
No, Rod, you can't make that. You can't make that. Just come to the non-muddy bit. Please. Don't break your neck. Come on, come to the non-muddy bit this side.
That's giving up too easy.
It's not giving up, it's protecting yourself and your shoes. It's...
Nope, that bit was higher.
Rog, I don't like this. You're going to end up with a face full of mud. Come on.
Fail. Oh well, I jumped.
That's a good jump.
Right, okay. Now to get over this. Remember I'm in heels, guys.
Oh, we know. Whoop.
Actually like a lot of difficulty. Let's go down here. Up here. Up here.
Oh my god.
Across here. Badly. That didn't work. My leg hurts.
Oh, babe.
Across here. Onto here. Like that. This is rickety.
It is.
Don't like it. Well, the ending point's over there, and I've got multiple paths
Yeah?
I'm going to take.
So the ending point is here, where I am. Yeah? Okay. Which path will he take?
Difficult one. I always do.
Sounds typical Roger, that.
Yep. Do you like my log?
That's very sexual. Oh, Harry Potter-esque. Pretend you're Harry Potter. Were you Hagrid then on the motorcycle?
Where's the snitch?
Why is Harry Potter very gay now? Where's the snatch? Oh, hello. Yeah, this is getting more sexual by the minute.
Bow, 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 bow.
Oh, there's a magpie possibly about to steal your phone.
No, they just saluted Mr. Magpie.
Oh. Right, stop stalling, Roger Olympics.
Yeah.
Roger Olympics in heels.
This could go really wrong.
Don't hurt yourself. Ooh. Excuse me.
Nope. 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 Maybe this is why I'm shite on ice.
Balance.
Balance, bro. I feel like Chas and Dave. Come on, bro, this shouldn't be that hard. I'd hate to do Ninja Warrior.
You tried it first before you did it. Now what's so true? And imagine how if your legs were just that little bit longer. Okay, should I go to the end? How do I get off at the end? Let me do it. Okay.
You're doing really well. I'm surprised and impressed. Fair play, babe.
Oh, this is gonna be good. This is like ow! Oh, I got mud on my shoes, so
Piss.
Shh, this kid. Oh, baby, are you okay?
Yeah, that hurt.
Oh no.
See?
You're right. Oh. Oh dear. Oh dear. Why don't you come along this way with the wire?
That's cheating.
No, it's not cheating.
It is cheating.
It's acceptable. Yeah.
I'm not. No, don't do it. It's hard to get down. No, don't do it. Yeah.
If I fall the other way, it'll hurt a lot more. Fucker!
Shh, baby, stop swearing, there's kids.
Ah, shit. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do that.
Oh. Oh, honey.
Yep, I'm giving up.
Okay. Oh, bub.
My balance is crap.
Okay.
Roger Olympics failed. It hurt.
Ouch. Oh, honey. Sit.
For the first time ever, we're going to do the Soap Olympics. So let's see what she starts with. This is a different course to mine.
And I'm not in heels, so this should go better than Roger's.
You'll have better core strength after all that ice skating.
Ice skating, belly dancing.
Ooh. She made it, almost. Yep, she's made it. Right, now for the balance beam, which...
it moves.
Of course it moves.
Look, it moves.
Yeah,
Oh, that's mean.
that's why you've got the rope to hold on to.
Oh, that's mean.
Remember, keep your core centered. Bit like ice skating. If you start to move, hold on.
Wow, okay. Oh, that's hard.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, if I cheat, do it like this.
It's to move, maybe. Ooh. Is she gonna make it, ladies and gentlemen? Oh no! Almost. She got to the end.
I know.
Well, I don't think they get do-overs in Ninja Warrior.
No. Oh, that's hard.
Yeah, man. That's why you need to put most of your weight on your arms. But keep your core centered like you do in skating.
It's moving. That's ideas is easy.
She's gonna get to the end. She's gonna get to the end.
Yes.
She made it to that level. Now, balance beam upwards with nothing to hold on to. Okay, she's gone up some stairs. A bit like being in a house.
Don't want to touch there. So I think it feels like cheating if I do that.
Correct, right. She's now on the platform.
Hi.
This bit. How high are you, Soph?
Oh, hi. Oh, very high. That's got a lot of give in it.
Yes, it does. I want to go on this one after you because I can see a harder route to come up. Oh, how are you feeling, Soph?
Very nervous.
Very nervous.
Proud of myself for getting this far.
Only a little bit to the next platform.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
She's made it to the next platform. Right, this one should be easier. It's just squares.
Yeah, but you see how far they are? They're over there. You're gonna have to go on the chain.
Wow, okay.
On them, I guess.
Okay.
For balance. Oh, this is terrifying.
4-year-olds can do this, a bit like ice skating.
Yeah, but they've got no fear. They've got no fear, and yeah, they're probably more slender than me. But I'm proud of myself. I'm getting there. This looks more terrifying than all the others. They don't know how much give it's got. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, we can do this. Okay, okay. Just to show off here and do a bit of a...
If you did that and face planted it, I'd have laughed
Yeah,
at
but
you.
I did it and it went well, so I'm proud of myself. What the fuck? How the fuck do you get down here?
Well, there you go. This is how you end it. You've got to come down that.
What? It's like a drunk ladder.
Yes, it is a drunk ladder. It was probably put together by someone who was drunk.
Wait, which way do I go down? This way?
We are like 30-year-old kids, aren't we?
Oh yeah. Right, I'll put my foot there.
Yeah, and then you got to spin round. And then come down like a normal ladder,
Oh,
just
that's
it's...
so weird.
But it's
That's
pissed.
not a normal ladder.
Yes, it is.
It bends.
Just bring your other leg down underneath the one that's your left leg. There you go. And she's made it. Hey! Ta-da! Oh.
Okay, now it's Roger's attempt, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, I'm skipping out the first bit. I'm going straight for the thing that people are meant to come down on. And I'm going up.
Okay.
I'm in heels.
Yeah, he's still in heels.
How am I going to get purchase on this?
The arm strength. Pull! Go on, Rog.
I didn't think this.
What?
I didn't think this through.
No.
I'm slipping.
Can you...
I'm slipping.
Wow. 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 Well done. Nice and steady on the chain beams. Yeah, it's the clunky bit. Well done. Well done, beautiful. Well done. Whoa. Hey, Roger's got longer legs than me, so that bit was easier for him. If you've seen my attempt. Now the wonky drunk ladder of drunkenness. Ta-da! Beautiful. Well done.
So it's going to have a go on a pole. I'm pretty sure she used to do dancing on a pole.
Yeah, you have to like grip it because I'm wearing socks and shoes. It's not gonna.
I'm going to say you're meant to do it naked, aren't you? I mean, your feet are meant to be naked.
Oh, baby, you want me to be naked for you? We're in the middle of a park.
Yeah.
Hi, baby. I remember that one. Some people could do it where they're like going around like that, and I was like, how the fuck do you do that? They're like, just do the chair. I'll sit down on one, but yeah. Hello, baby.
Harbour.
I don't have the grip because my pants. No, I don't wear pants.
Okay, I'll have a go on a pole.
You have a pole?
Yeah.
In your heels as well. Come on then, Susan.
Okay.
Beautiful.
I know there's one where they kind of go up cross-legged and hang upside down and spin up.
Yeah, I can do that when I'm not in shorts, sort of. It's because the pants are slippy. Hi, baby. Huh? Oh, that was lovely. Show us your butt.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make out my balls. Oh, no, squishing him against metal hurts.
You alright there, sweet? Oh, you're still holding on, bless him. Are you okay there, baby?
Praise be to ball people.
Yeah, baby. Just hanging around. Probably do that better on this arm because it comes a struggle one. Yeah. Your balls okay?
They hurt.
Okay.
I feel like a teenager again. Where it's just dropping.
So that was day one. This is day two. What are we up to today, Raj?
Ice skating.
But with a bit of a twist. You want to tell them?
I think I've got a problem with my right blade, so I'm getting Sophie to test it out. I think she's going to get on the ice and be like, yay, it's perfect. And I'm going to be like, yay, it's my fault. And so I'm going in her old ones again just to see how I go with those.
Let's see how we go.
We'll probably do some more stuff after this, but right now all we're focusing on is skating.
Tell us what's happening, Rog.
Okay, so I tried these and I don't like them anymore because I'm used to the ones that, well, I'm used to my blades. But so says that it isn't me on the blade that I'm not happy with.
Yeah, I think it needs resharpening. The inside edge on the right leg feels lovely, but the middle of the blade and then the outside edge, no. There's something going on there, so I think we need to get them resharpened and give them another go, Rog.
But on top of that, it is also my confidence. I don't have confidence in my right leg.
Yeah. But confidence can be built, sweetheart.
Yeah.
can't it?
Huh?
Confidence can be built.
Yeah.
I don't like the feeling of mine. Roger's just watching on the sidelines. I think I'm gonna die. Oh shit, I'm gonna die. Oh, this is horrible. I don't like it. Oh no, I'm gonna fall over or cause an accident here. This is bad.
They don't feel good.
Oh, they feel horrible. How are yours feeling?
I have support again.
Yay!
I have support again.
Okay, 3 boot changes in not a very long amount of time. Anyway, let's go see how Roger's doing. Oh, how are you doing, Bubba?
My guy.
A guy in red. Yeah. He used to play for England. Whoa. Wow.
He's 43. He's been ice skating for 34 Excellent.
Here's Roger back in his actual proper skates that are for him and his size and heat moulded to him. How's it feel being back in them?
Weird again now.
Weird again? Oh no. Remember you said before it takes you a while to get back used to them again.
The ice.
Yeah, the ice feels horrendous.
The ice is bad.
Oh, nice stop though. Yeah, that's kind of it. Not bad.
Okay, we've been on the ice. We've had some food.
I don't like thunder.
And we love you. And
Told you it was thunder and you didn't believe me.
I didn't believe you.
You thought it was my car. Sorry, we can stand up now that the thunder stopped. Yes.
yes.
Back
Yeah,
to it. Yes.
Back to it.
What we're doing?
So we're having a walk now. We're in Brierley Park again. Meep. Roadrunner. We're having a little walk in Brierley Park, and
No, we're not. We're just standing
we're
here.
just standing here doing this video.
Okay, we're having a walk in Brierley Park.
And that is thunder, if you probably can't hear that, but we're having a little walk and it's going to be the end of the video. We're going to put some bits in here that we do on this walk, but it's probably going to piss it down, so well, it's started to rain already, and yeah, we're going to do some stuff while we're here, but this is probably going to be like a short ending to this video, so catch you in a few. So Soph right now is going to do the thing that I couldn't do yesterday, which is to see if she can get across the bouncy beamy thing. Bear in mind, I still have the bruise from yesterday.
Yeah, he's covered in bruises, bless him. Alright, hang on. I don't even know how to get up.
Well, it's going well so far, bub.
I don't have as much arm strength as you do.
But you've got more core strength.
I don't like thunder.
Oh well, if you die, just know I love you.
Thanks, babe.
Hey, you're welcome.
Oh god, right. Oh, so you did the sexual thing up this, didn't you?
Yeah.
Do I have to do that as well?
I can't remember where I was trying to walk across.
That one.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. But you did this.
Yeah.
And then I said you look like Harry Potter.
Yeah.
You decided to go into full motorbike mode, and I was like, oh, you're on the broom, look, like.
Oh, that's right, yeah, it was this one here, because this rope's where I fell on.
Oh, I'm just going to slide down this one. My legs are short. Well, ladies of the division. Okay, now I can see how high this is
Yep.
and why you were so terrified. And you were doing it in heels.
Yep.
Oh, fucking hell, this is a bit uncomfortable.
Yep.
Right. Yesterday I had it a lot easier going sideways. Oh, Roger, I don't like this. How did you do this?
Uh-huh. Friend of mine nearly made it all the way across.
Fucking hell, I don't like it. You did it in heels too.
Yes, I did.
Fair play to you for trying this in heels. I think I'm too scared to do it.
Okay, so you've got as far as I did in
No,
terms
you've
of.
got further.
No, I mean in terms of the bouncy bit, you worked that bit out. Now try and make it all the way along it.
I can see now why it was scary. When I get over there, I don't know what I'm going to do.
Well, my aim was to try and get up here, but
So I can go down there, but I was cheating because I'm holding on to that. Right, did it sideways on the other one, and it worked better. But no, it doesn't feel like it's going to work as well on this one. Okay. Woman up, Sophie. Just do it. How the fuck did you do this in heels?
the laugh you lose your balance.
Oh god, this is terrifying. How did you do it?
Yeah, man.
What if I go backwards and then I won't see what next? That's stupid.
That's even hard mode.
Yeah, I can see now why you were like wobbly.
Mm-hmm.
This is scary. Once I leave this bit, I've got no support. Fuck, I don't like this. I don't think I'm brave enough to do it. I want to do it. Just walking. Fuck. Nope.
Not as easy as it looks, is it?
No. Wow, I did it! Whoa! That is terrifying.
Yeah?
How did you do that in heels? Nearly.
Nearly. I mean, the fact that I crash planted into this netting thing and hurt my arm
And your back.
and my back.
Yeah. I'm just scared of what I do when I get there. How do you do it? It's scary. That is scary.
I know.
I think I'm going to face plant the nettles if I go there. I don't know where to go now. Like, oh, do I need to step? I'm gonna.
Oh, Bubba.
Ow. Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah, I think so. I don't like it.
You don't like
At least
it?
it didn't hurt my leg, which is good.
Yeah, that's always good.
Sophie's back behind the camera. That was terrifying. But I'm happy with how far I made it. And I'm happy that I didn't hurt my leg. And now we've got Roger going for another attempt.
I'm in heels and it's raining.
Yeah.
Extra hard mode. Because there is absolutely no grip on these shoes.
Oh shit. Please don't hurt yourself.
And I've got mud on my shoes.
Oh honey.
I don't know if any of you believe in omens, but I know that's a bad one.
Oh.
That's not happening.
Okay.
I am giving up, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay.
because
You're gonna slip, aren't you, with your mud
I am massively going to slip because there's no
grip?
grip on
Oh
these,
god, that's bad. Yeah.
and I have mud on them,
Yeah.
so I am getting down.
Okie dokie, baby.
But whee,
Oh. Oh fuck. They're slippy. Excuse me, I'm just wiping the lens. Well done, Bubba.
that ain't happening.
No, good call. Ah. Okay, so that one's not happening, and it is getting rather wet now, but we're not giving up. We're going to try and go back to the course that I did yesterday. Roger did it too, but he sort of started a different way to me, but he's going to do the way I started and go from there. So we're just heading over there now. Watch this space. Okay, I'm getting soaked. And I'm not even at it yet. Oh god. Oh, maybe this is not a good idea.
Maybe it isn't,
No.
but I'm going to do it anyway.
You're not, are you?
Well, keep right on.
No, it's slippy up there.
I don't care.
Oh no.
Good. Yippee.
Yeah, don't, because it's wood up there.
I know.
No, don't slip and hurt yourself.
Yeah, but it'll be fun.
No, it won't.
Yeah, it will. Read 3 pints if you read. Liquid storage time, isn't it? Oh, this is the one that moves, right?
Yep.
Remember guys, I'm in heel with no grip.
Psychopath. Ooh. Well done.
Alright, just a bit from... Oh my god.
It's going to be slippy.
There is no motherfucking grip on this.
That's why I said be careful.
Okay. I use the same technique as yesterday, which is to balance. And push down. And move.
Wow, well done.
Balance. Push down.
Well done. Wow.
Huddle up here.
Oh dear. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Next puddle. Whee! Look at all the water.
Thanks, babe.
Good, isn't it?
No.
No? I ain't bothering with the rope. I'm just gonna walk across here with absolutely no grip on wood. It's okay. Because now I've got his electric, because I'm on metal. And like a muscle grip. In heels, fam.
Did he mention that he's in heels?
Huh?
Did he mention that he's in heels?
I don't think I ever did. I'm getting what? I'm not in a good way. Oh my god, there's no grip.
No? Uh-oh. Well done. Fantastic job. Oh, lovely. Lovely spiral. Well done, babe. Right, I think we should wrap it up 1 sec. Let's just swap the camera. Bit wet.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. Well, we've been Black Snake Adventures. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you're drier than us right now. Yeah, thank you for sticking with us. Are you okay?
Sticking with
Yeah, yeah. Oh, can we go to the car now and get dry?
I think we're gonna. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and please fucking subscribe.
Pretty please.
Catch you in a bit.
Bye!